Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I'm giving you demonstration how to make your own QR code. Which types of QR code you can create your own, like a Facebook QR code, Gmail QR code, LinkedIn QR code, or any social networking QR code you can create very easily. Even you can make your QR code on your personal website. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Now open your Google and just type here QR code monkey, enter, and first link is coming. I'm putting this link video description, you can access there also. So click here. So here you can add your URL here and then access very easily. Suppose for example that one is my personal website and I copy this URL and then put it here and enter. So this is my personal website, QR code is open. Now I am showing you how to access this QR code using my mobile phone. So I'm open my mobile and then click the camera and scan this QR code. You can look at this, open sangramsingh.com in your Safari browser. It's very easily, no need for type any kind of sangramsingh.com or rest of things. Same function. I am giving you one more example, like here that one is my Facebook page. You can visit on that Facebook page and like and follow please us. So I am putting here and enter, and then again I am open my mobile phone and scan this one, and then facebook.com is open and suddenly my YouTube Research Rocks Facebook page is open. You can create your QR code and access or use these features. And one more thing, you can create this QR code and download as a PNG format, and you share this QR code anywhere, and everyone, just people are scanning this barcode and directly access your Facebook page, access your website, or access your YouTube channel also. It's very simple tricks. You can make any kind of QR code. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.